Them some move weird. Remember me, I'm on that me when my computer no take pro. Round neck, me take care of my dogs and no vet. Money make it a fish spread and no beg. Want more, lift up a brick and I go say.
States, she be the best, we are scared. I could run the road, turn your girl in a hole. Night them asleep, states we up on a road.
Then because me want it. Drop it, but my just a drift and go anti. Spin and drop it 5 series. Oh man, we full of whip. Me nah mention.
I know for who did a chat for me name. Oh, if you see me mash up and drop on me face.
Porn and porn and porn and porn and porn and porn and porn. She a come, she wants to turn to me and come.
Seat up them can't float man. Bad man we deal with crime.
Grimy, yeah. Murder one so po.
Dog, them my food. Put my phones down my leg. Face first. Some know that my dead. And I'm turn up in my tick and turn no closing.
Amount of money, my waistband close. Bushy crown face big like Andrew knows. The type of money me I make this Django pose. A crown be my ambition.
Shoot out a head, rich badness. Shoot out a mill now. Panny haps can't kill off my friend. My dog not anybody will wish.
For the two-time World Championship silver medalist. Negative 0.3 meters per second the wind speed. Sharika Jackson, 1084, is going to pass. And we await the confirmation in third.
The greatest sprinter the world has ever seen. He is brilliant beyond compare. We have seen nothing like this, ever, ever. He writes his own history with every stride that he takes.
For me, one of the greatest athletes of all time, the aura that he had. An icon, absolute icon of the sport. Somebody who thrives on the big occasion, he lives from the big occasion. He enjoys the big occasion and he delivers. Larger than life, you know what I mean? Talks to his fans, engages with his fans. And that's something that's very, very important. For me, he's still the GOAT. He's still the man, one and only, Usain Bolt.